Hello friend, my name is Harsh and you are watching the Programming Hub where you find some computer languages program. Today you will see in this video how we can download and use the software of C++ in mobile. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe first and press to the bell icon so that every video of me reaches you first. So let's go to our mobile screen. So friends, first of all you have to go your mobile play store. Here you have to search Turbo C++ in search box. You install it. I have already installed. Now we open it. See, its interface is exactly like a computer software. Now click on keyboard button. Now you have go to the file option, then click on new button. Here you can write any program of the C++. Now I am writing a simple program. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. These are two main header files of C++. See, we have created a simple hello world program. That is its compiler button and that this is a run button. Let's compile it. Run now. Our hello world program is done. I show you one of my saved program on the saved option. The program I save is swapping of the two number. Swapping means replace one number with another number. In this program I have already initialized the value of A and B. Let's check the output. See, the output is 4774. You can make any C++ program in this app.